Hello everyone, welcome to Nexvora Tech. In this video, we are going to configure DHCP service in the router. We are going to select one router, that one is 2901, and take two switches. Then take in devices, PC 1, 2 and 3, and another PC for switch 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now connect these devices with the cables. Take straight through cable from router 0, select gigabit Ethernet 0/0, go to switch 0 and select gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Again choose copper straight through cable, select click router 0 and select gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and click switch 1 and click gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Now connect the switch, these PCs, PC0, PC1, PC2 to switch 0. Connect, select straight through cable, connect, click switch 0, select fast Ethernet 0/1, pull to PC0 and select fast Ethernet 0. Again do for another PC1, again go select same cable and go to switch 0, select fast Ethernet 0/0, 03, and PC2 select the fast Ethernet 0. Again connect the devices of the switch 1, click switch 1, select fast Ethernet 0/1 and click PC3, select fast Ethernet 0. Again click, do for another device also. Again click switch 1 and select fast Ethernet 0/3, click PC5 and select fast Ethernet 0. Now we are going to give label here so that it will be easy for us to recognize the network. 192.168.20.1. Again to this side, 192.168.30.1. Now we are going to assign this IP to these ports where these cables are connected to the router. Just click this router and go to CLI mode, write no for the initial configuration, press enter, write enable and write configuration terminal to go global configuration mode. Now write the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, press enter, give IP address to this port, IP address 192.168.20.1 and also subnet mask 255.255.255.0. press enter, give no shutdown. Now do the same for the port interface 0/1. For that we should exit this mode. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1, press enter, give IP, assign IP address 192.168.30.1 space, give subnet mask 255.255.255.0. again write no shutdown and exit from this. Now we are going to create DHCP pool for the left switch, that one is switch 0. So write IP DHCP pool, and after pool we have to write the pool name. So we'll write left underscore SW pool, and mention the network 192.168.20.0 and give the subnet mask to 55.255.255.0. Now provide the default router. What will the default router? 192.168.20.1 and mention DNS-server 8.8.8.8. Then exit from this. Now we will do for the another interface IP DHCP pool right underscore switch underscore pool. Now mention network 192.168.30.0 space 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Now give the default router 192.168.30.1. press enter. Then we provide DNS-server 8.8.8.8. Now exit. Now we'll see if these PCs and these in devices has got the IP automatically or not. Go for PC0 and go to desktop and look for IP configuration. For this we have to select DHCP. Now it is requesting IP address. You will see that it has received 20.2. Now check for other device PC1. Go to desktop and go to IP configuration. Select DHCP. It has received 20.3. And the PC2, go to desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. It received 20.4. Now for the right side, this PCs should get the network of this 30.1. Go to PC3, go to desktop, IP configuration, select DHCP. It should receive 30.2. Now select PC4, go to desktop and IP configuration, go to select DHCP. Now it will it received 30.3. DHCP request successful. Go for PC5, go to desktop, IP configuration. You should also receive of the same network. Go to DHCP, requesting IP address. Okay, this also received the network 30.1 and got the IP 30.4. Now we are going to reserve some IP in the network 20.1. For that, click the router and go to CLI mode. For that, we should go to configuration. For that, we are going to reserve IP. Write IP DHCP excluded address. We are going to reserve IP from 192.168.20.1 to 192.168.20.15. Now we have reserved the IP from 1 to 15. Before, the PC0, PC1, PC2 received IP 20.2, 20.3 and 20.4. Now you should receive IP from 20.16. Let's check. Go to PC0 and go to desktop IP configuration. We have to reset first. Requesting IP address. You see the IP is 192.168.20.16. Again check for PC1. Reset first. You will receive new IP 20.17. Again check for PC2. Go to IP configuration. Reset. DHCP. Requesting IP. Now it received the IP 20.18. Now we configure the DHCP service in the router, and we found the tutorial test has been completed. Now you know how DHCP makes network configuration faster and easier by assigning IP addresses automatically. Thanks for watching and stay connected with Nexvora Tech for more practical networking labs. If you have any confusion or want any topic or video to be discussed, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.